In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF attachment to your Brevo email campaign. This is a straightforward process, and by the end, you'll be ready to send a campaign with a PDF included for your subscribers. Start by opening your web browser and heading to brevo.com. Log into your account so you can access your dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left side menu and click on Marketing. That will take you to the campaigns page where all your email campaigns live. If you don't already have a campaign set up, create a new one now. Choose the type of campaign you want to run, and for this tutorial, select email. Give your campaign a clear descriptive name so it's easy to find later, then click Create Campaign to continue. Naming thoughtfully can help you and your team stay organized, especially if you manage multiple campaigns. After the campaign is created, scroll down the page until you see the section labeled Additional Settings. Click on Edit Settings to open more configuration options for this campaign. This is where you control important details like tracking and attachments. Next, scroll to the Sending and Tracking section. Here, you'll see an option that says Add an Attachment. Check that box to enable attachments for your campaign. Once it's enabled, click on Select a File. Your file browser will open, and you can choose the PDF you want to attach. Select the file and click Open to confirm. A quick tip: keep your PDF file size as small as possible to help with deliverability and faster load times. Removing unnecessary images or compressing the file can make a big difference. Also, use a clear file name because recipients may download and save it. If your audience includes mobile users, consider formatting the PDF for easy reading on smaller screens. When the file is selected and you're happy with the setup, click Save to apply the changes. That's it. Your PDF is now attached to your Brevo email campaign. From here, you can proceed with the rest of your campaign content and scheduling as usual. Before you send, it's a good idea to preview your email and send a test to yourself. This helps you confirm that the attachment appears as expected and that the message reads clearly. If you ever run into issues with large files, remember that smaller attachments tend to perform better, and keeping things concise helps your subscribers get to the content they need quickly. And that wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.